Guys, in today's video I'm introducing you to this site that you can earn decent money. You can earn up to $50 daily. On this site you don't need to invest. All you will do is just to perform some tasks and you're going to earn. So you can refer and you earn. You can download apps and you're going to earn through this app. I've withdrawn in this app, so just watch this video to the end and you learn how to do all this. And the option for the withdrawal have Cash App, we have Bitcoin. Me, I used to withdraw to Bitcoin, so you can just copy your Bitcoin withdraw wallet and receive address, and then you paste it here, then you withdraw. To perform tasks in this site, just click on this task wall. So there is one task here, finish the survey. Once you finish the survey, you're going to earn $20. Sometimes they will give you apps to download. Once you download, they're going to give you $50. So you'll be downloading like that. Once you reach $200, then you will withdraw. Very simple. Then if you click on refer, you see once you can refer and earn. Also, once you refer somebody, you're going to get $20. Once the person register, you're going to get $20. And also you can promote it. You can promote on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Once you promote it there, you are going to earn. You can check it for yourself. And this is how to earn from this site. Just to perform some tasks, download apps, refer friends, and you earn. Once the money is up to $200, you withdraw. So I do withdraw every day because I earn more in this site. So if you just use my referral, once you just follow my link, you're going to, once you follow my link and register, you're going to get $50 bonus. So to start with, so you can just complete it with $150, then you withdraw. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, share this video. My next video will be how to do dollar arbitrage. So please subscribe. When I make this video, you'll get notified. Thanks for watching this video.